warm welcome to you wherever you are in the world. Let's join Romilo at his garden. Good Sunday afternoon to all of you. We are in the garden, and if you notice, I'm not in my gardening clothes. We're going to a party, and what's a better way to arrive at a party than bringing a bouquet to the birthday celebrator or to the host? And that's what we're doing today, assembling or picking flowers and making a bouquet, bouquet, not a buffet. They have buffet, of course, at the party, and we were bringing a bouquet. So I have here a lily, and I'm thinking of a good color to combine with this. The rule is, what I've learned in YouTube is, if we know this concept of the color wheel, is to pick colors that are adjacent to one another, neighboring colors. Never pick, but colors that are close to one another. Let's say, look at this, orange and yellow. Orange, so it's good to combine it with orange or yellow orange and yellow. That's the theory. Also, in combining in bundling your plants together, it's good to combine next to one another a yellow next to an orange. Or how about that? Nah. But it's too contrasting, but it works. It works. So let's try that one there. Let's have this one, combine it with this one. And perhaps a yellow. Yellow. I don't usually cut flowers down to the bottom, but for this purpose, for bouquet, I have to. What else can we combine? Nice, huh? How about that? Let's get some whites. Is it good to combine with that? I'm not happy with that. Let's try this one. Ay. I damaged it. Sorry. Maybe I'll just drop them for now. Yeah. This looks good. This looks good. Very. It's for a girl. So this is a girly color. Obviously. And then some of this. Yeah. Nice, huh? How about that? What else? What? Some whites. Yeah? White. Yeah, a white. What else? More whites from there? We'll go to the other side. How's it? I think it's been dominated by white. I'll add more of this. Yeah. And what else? I'll add some foliage. This is a eucalyptus tree, and I planted this last year. I purposely planted this for flower arrangements. I think I can cut it from here. Yeah. Look. Heavenly. Eucalyptus. I think we're okay with this. How about that? Or more? More eucalyptus? Yeah. We can explore. We talk about the concept of the color wheel. That the colors should be adjacent to one another. It's also good to provide a contrasting color. So we've got the yellow tone It's good to provide this purple or violet. Let's see the effect. Let's start with the foliage. That's too big. Okay. I learned all this on YouTube. There's a guy in the UK who does flower arrangement. I've been watching him. And that's where I learned this flower arrangement. Very masculine. Yeah. The lily. More of the colors there. How about that, Manang? Look at that.
Yes, very good.
Very good.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Lovely.
It's not very embarrassing.
No. That's really beautiful.
Beautiful. It's easier to assemble a flower vase than a bouquet. Yeah. I think more colors. I think. What else can we add to this?
Nice color combination, really.
Huh?
It's really nice.
It's ugly to me. Huh?
Very nice.
What can we do? It looks
yellow,
ugly.
More yellow. No, it's not.
More yellow?
One more.
Okay, one more yellow, says our cameraman. I'll obey. Do you think I have to add more, let's say, foliage or leaves?
Yes.
Yes?
A bit green.
More green.
More green.
Okay. Let's go back and get more eucalyptus. I purposely grew this ferns for flower arrangements. Yeah. Will that work? Yeah, I think it works. Yes. Yeah. How does it look? Good or not? It looks ugly to me.
It is not.
I think more greens.
Kulang ka sa green.
Here mo na at the back. Okay. Yeah, wait. Yeah.
Yes.
And this should come out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Is it?
Magkano
Yeah, not
naman,
embarrassing.
konti-konti naman nung fern mo.
Yeah.
Damihan mo naman.
Ng
dagdagan mo.
ferns?
Yeah.
Or more of this, I think. The eucalyptus. Sudo
Yeah.
It's ugly.
That's new.
Huh? This looks better when on a flower base, surely. Okay? So thank you. Let's say thank you. Oh, it looks better under the sun. So this is our creation from our garden. It doesn't look very encouraging or very beautiful as the commercial flower arrangement. These are grown from our garden, and I arranged it myself. All this, the foliage, the flowers, I've grown. Proudly grown. This should be beautiful. This should be beautiful. Let's go and see the reaction. I have to say goodbye now. So, this is our newest episode. Flower arranging from homegrown flowers and homegrown foliage. See you next time, and don't forget our other series from the garden here, or from the kitchen, or for this summer from elsewhere, as we discover the sights and sounds of the world. Your Kuya and Uncle here, Romilo. Dios tagbati. I'm happy because finally I didn't expect this, but it blends well with the interior of our house. Ang ganda-ganda, diba? It really blends well. Look at her table.
Yeah, I just want to say it's from your
The
garden.
furniture, and they have a new house, and it's close to the Philips complex. My God, this is
Oh
fabulous.
my god.
And look at the interior. I'm happy that it works well with the interior of the house. So